Hi there, this is Bobby from Bobby's Sweet Treats, and today we are going to make a cookie Easter basket with icing basket weave. For this project, you're going to need a solid circle cookie for your base, 7 hollow circle cookies, that's going to be the body of your basket, and you're going to need a half circle for your handle. The icing that we're going to use for this project is quite thick, so please take care when piping so you don't burst your piping bag. You can start out by taking your bottommost hollow cookie, just piping a circle of icing on it and attaching it to the base. And you're going to continue piping a circle of icing around and adding your next cookie until you have finished putting all 7 hollow cookies on top. You should end up with something that looks vaguely basket-like. And at this point, once you've got that all ready to go, you can set that aside for 20 minutes or so if you'd like to dry before you start piping the basket weave. When you pipe the basket weave, you're going to want to take some more off of your piping tip so that more icing comes out at once. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is start with a single line up and down on your basket, and you're going to pipe 4 short lines over top of that longer line. You want to make sure to leave room in between each of these short lines. You'll see why in a moment. Once you've got those 4 short lines piped, you're going to go ahead and pipe another long line. Sorry, it's cut off of the video here. And then you're going to all pipe 4 more short lines. You'll see, however, that they are offset from the first 4 that you piped. So you've got your first 4 and your second 4 are offset from each other. Go ahead and pipe another long line, and the 4 short lines over top of it will match up with the first 4. Keep going this way, piping your long line and then your 4 short ones over and over until you're all the way finished your basket. You can see that it is starting to take shape and it looks like a basket. If you pipe too close to the top or the bottom of your basket, you may end up with some icing on your fingers. Don't worry about this. Icing is water soluble and you can also always wash it up later. And there we have it, a basket weave. If this basket weave looks a little too daunting to you, there is a simplified version. Simply pipe short lines and offset the next row of them from the ones that you have there. It's not as realistic looking, but it will look vaguely basket-like, so that's an alternative if you don't want to try the basket weave. And there you have that simplified basket weave there. Now it's time to attach the handle, so go ahead and put your basket down. Just pipe a little bit of icing onto the bottoms of your handle, and because the icing is so thick, you shouldn't need to prop it up, but do leave it somewhere to dry before you decorate your basket. And there you have it, Easter basket. You can decorate it however you'd like. I've chosen to use candies. Happy Easter, everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.